Hello guys, in this video we will be seeing how to identify, how to tell our system that SSD exists in our system. Okay, so the issue is that yesterday I installed SSD in my system. Okay, that is I upgraded my system, but the thing is that I'm not able to see effect of it. Okay, like going to this PC. Okay, actually yesterday I inserted approximately 256 GB of SSD in my system, but still it is not showing that. Okay, like CEGHR my hard disk drives. Okay, approximately total of 550 or something. Okay, and it is my pen drive, but I'm not able to recognize my SSD. Okay, so now we will be dealing with it. Okay, so in this video I will be telling you how to allocate the newly inserted SSD into your system. Okay, so the thing is that we will search for disk manage memory. Okay, and we will click on open. Okay, and here we can see it is disk 0. This is the disk I'm talking about. It is my SSD. Okay, like the official storage, the mentioned storage is 256 GB. So approximately, actually, the actual storage is like something like this only. So okay, see, it is showing us unallocated, and the storage that is visible in this PC is this allocated below. Okay, it is my pen drive, as I said earlier. So we need to allocate this SSD storage. Okay, so what we are going to do is right click on this. Okay, convert to GPT disk or convert to dynamic. Let's say GPT is if you want to install Linux in this. Okay, as it's in my case, I'm going to install Linux in my SSD, so I need to convert to GPT disk. Okay, so I will click on convert to GPT. Okay, see, now it is showing us the option to convert to MBR disk, means we have converted it to GPT. If we are installing Windows, then we don't need to convert it to GPT. Okay, Windows uses MBR partition, while MBR or UEFI partition, while Linux uses GPT partition. Okay, so we have converted it to GPT. So now we have to allocate this to. Okay, so we will right click on this, like coming right side, we will click on, right click on this, and then you will get option to create a new simple volume. Okay, then just click on next. Okay, next. Okay, you can drive the tab as per you. Okay, next. The volume is the following settings, and we have XFAT because I'm going to install Linux, so I need to do it XFAT. It is XFAT. If you want to do Windows, then leave it as NTFS. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna click on next. Okay, and finish. It's showing formatting. See, now it's showing healthy basic data partition. Okay, XFAT new volume disk 0. Disk 0. It is new volume disk D now. Okay, so new volume D is showing as basics XFAT. Okay, healthy boot. Okay, so now convert to dynamic disk. Disk 0 disk to convert to dynamic disk. Okay. Okay, convert. Okay, now it is, the process complete. Now it must show. See, now here we can see it is showing SSD. It is new volume D and 200 GB. Okay, like going on to property, it is showing XFAT file system type. Okay, and we are getting each and every available option. See, it is showing SSD 256 GB. Okay, all this is like SSD 256 GB. So